Hi everyone, this is Steve here from Cafe Chronicles. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to take a look at getting the bike a little bit closer again to having it sent out for powder coating. We're going to focus on the swing arm. On the swing arm there's two bushings that we need to remove. We need to do so without damaging the swing arm. We got to take them out and prep for powder coating. We're going to do so hopefully by using a 15mm socket and a 3-inch bolt, and hopefully that will do the trick. We're going to see some folks online say that that's a good way to do it, so let's check it out. Alright, I should be sponsored by these guys. I don't know why I'm not. Well, I don't know if they want to be involved. I don't blame them. It's very hard to walk into Princess Auto without buying stuff that you hadn't intended to go there for. That's a handy little one. I always find, like, when I'm pumping up the truck tires or anything like that, that I'm doing it by, like, you know, sense of smell to try and figure out what the actual pressure is that I'm doing. So I've picked up that. It's in my way now. So that seemed to work okay. So basically just went down nicely into that little piece of tube that I have. The 15mm socket on the other side with the bolt there basically guided it in nicely into that, and then on the other side it basically gave stability so that it would push it into that side. So it worked out nicely. Always worrying with that stuff because, you know, I'm sure as you guys have been watching me do this stuff, I am learning as I go too, and with this stuff kind of flying by the seat of my pants quite a lot, you know, but sometimes it works out and sometimes it doesn't. That's it. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.